Amazon affiliate marketing Twitter method step by step for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a Twitch account with thousands of views and add your Amazon affiliate links into this to get around 2,500 to 10,000 sales per day. And I'm going to show you how you can create a Twitter account like this and how you can promote Amazon affiliate products doing so. Okay, so let's say we're gonna go ahead to a Twitter account to get some reference out of this. Okay, so we're gonna open up this Twitter and we're gonna add smart gadgets. Okay, now we have smart gadgets. Okay, which is at smart gadgets G. Okay, so you can also write at smart gadgets G. Okay, and once you do this, we're gonna search it up and add smart gadgets per D. Okay, this was an amazing affiliate marketing, you could say Twitter account. Okay, and this Twitter handle basically showed us different smart gadgets and it sold those different smart gadgets to the world. So obviously, what you can do is create accounts like smart gadgets. Okay, and what they're doing is they're giving inside scoop on different technologies and explaining how you can find videos like this and promote Amazon affiliate products which are relevant to them. So let's go over to Amazon and let's go over to Amazon affiliates. Okay, Amazon affiliates is called Amazon Associates. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and write Amazon Associates and we can see Amazon.com Associate Central. Okay, now, the Associate Central is Amazon's very own affiliate marketing program where you're going to do a separate three-step process, okay? It's going to be sign up, recommend, earn. So join tens and thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with Amazon Associates program. Recommend, share millions of products with your audience. You're going to get customized linking tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. And then finally, you can earn up to 10% associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs that, their competitive conversion rates help maximize earnings. So you get the, common idea and gist of this. It's really simple and really easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up with this using your Amazon account, and then you're going to come over to Amazon. And once you're in Amazon, you're going to get a gray strip over here, which is called the Amazon Associates site strip. Okay. And over there, let's say if I were to go on a product, I'm going to write Samsung Galaxy phones. Okay, let's go with Samsung Galaxy phones. And here it's going to give me tons and tons of different Samsung Galaxy phones. So we have Samsung Galaxy S23 cell phone. Okay, so we can see it's factory unlocked and everything. And it's $799, almost $800. So what you can do is once you come to this product, the strip will give you three options: text, image, or text plus image. So those three will basically generate a link according to the type of vibe you want to go with. So text image is basically just text regarding the image. Then there's image, which gives you only the image, no text. And text plus image, obviously, you're going to get the whole lot with the images and all the text, including the descriptions. So you're going to get all of this stuff for yourself, and it's going to be really easy and really simple to, get these things. And you're also going to get, their comparisons and a whole dynamic ratio. So you get the whole point of all of that, right? So once you've gotten your product and once you've chosen your product off of Amazon, what you're going to do is you're going to take your affiliation link. You're going to go to X or Twitter. Okay. And once you're over here, you're going to basically take some link off of, or take some photo or video off of YouTube or some other, provider that's obviously giving you images of this product. Okay. Or you can just take the image off. So let's say in this case, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the image for this instance. So we're going to save this image. I'm going to come on to Twitter or X, and over here, I'm going to click on post. Once you click on post, here, you're going to go ahead. First of all, click on add image. Now, once you click on add image, you're going to go with the image that we just downloaded. Okay, here's the image. And then you're going to start adding the details about this image, what it's about, what it does. So let's say in our case, we're going to go with the Samsung S23 untouched. Okay, We're gonna write that, and then you're obviously gonna write some details about it. Don't write all the details. You can add the description, but don't add everything in the description right now. So once you've done this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and give a link under this as well, and that link is gonna be your affiliation link. Okay, and you can also write that this is an affiliated link that people can check out, and then obviously come down here, drop down the link telling people. So let's say this is our affiliation link. We're going to come here, drop down the affiliation link like this, and once you do this, you're going to click on post. Once you click on post, this is what your post is going to look like. So Samsung S23 untouched affiliated link. And then, if someone likes the post and if someone is actually eager to buy the brand that you're ambassadoring for, then they're going to click on the link like this. And they're going to be redirected to your affiliation link. And whoever clicks on buy now or buys through your affiliation link, obviously you're going to get a good, you could say, commission rate off of it, or some good, at least some decent amount of money off of this. So yeah, and don't just add one or two things. You are going to need to add consistently, because Smart Gadgets, the account that I showed you, that account consistently added like 4 to, you could say, the range up to 20 products per day, and he kept adding it, kept adding it, kept adding it. And obviously as he kept adding, he got more views, and the more views he got, the more clicks he got, and the more clicks he got, you could say, the more sales he got. I wouldn't exactly say every click will get you a sale, but you could say that a decent amount of click to sale ratio is there. So as you can see over here as well, a lot of these accounts do affiliations, and look at the amount. You're also going to make sure to have a good photo, good image, good poster, because that's really addictive and appealing to the audience, and we want the audience to be attracted to whatever we're selling, right? So as you scroll down, you can scour through different things as well. And this is basically a great Twitter marketing method that you can do for your Amazon affiliation. And trust me, the commission that you're going to get off of Amazon, it's going to be incredible, and it's going to work really well for you. So just go ahead, add all the necessary details, check all the necessary facts out, and yeah, everything should be pretty good, and pretty, you could say, good and easy for you. So yeah, that's basically about it when it comes to Amazon's affiliate marketing and using the Twitter method for great marketing ratio. Okay, so again, all you're gonna need to do is just become an affiliate for Amazon, choose the text plus image option, provide the link into your Twitter post, and you're gonna be good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see all of you next time. Goodbye.